right, welcome back, YouTube. I'm looking really good for you today. Sorry, not the best yet, but we are back with another workout. Now, something happened in the app that I don't really understand, and it hasn't happened to me before, is that when I was out of town, I did a workout out of order, and for some reason, the app isn't letting me go back and do the workouts that were in between there. So like I skipped to day 7 probably, or 6. Yeah, I had skipped to day 6 from day 3, and now it's not letting me do day 4 and 5 or something like that. I don't know. It's really weird, and it's never happened to me before. I don't know if it's a glitch or something to do with some updates they've done. I've noticed that they've changed some things on the update. So I'm not really sure yet what's going on. But I already have the whiteboard set up, as we can see. Okay. So I'm just going to keep on going. It's going to go to day 8 instead. I don't know. The workout should only take about a half an hour, to add about 10-12 minutes to that for my warm-up jog. And yeah, I don't know. And then we'll get another day down. All right, let me show you the preview. Okay, so as you can see, the program today is going to be frog jumps with a push-up for 30 seconds. Oops. For 30 seconds. Then alternating lunge hops for 30 seconds. Curtsy lunges with a press out for 1 minute. Banded plank arm raises for 1 minute. Followed by plank walkouts for 30 seconds. And all of that will be times 6. Okay, so I'm going to go through all 5 of those moves 6 times. And we'll get it done, all right? Let's smash it out. Let's go.
In the darkness, my shadows, they follow.